Broadcast. Missed the bell. Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Oh, baby. Thursday, April 26, 2012, 4 p.m. Eastern. What a day. What a day. Bad numbers, stocks go up. Good numbers, stocks go up. What a joke. But I'll tell you, our market very subdued today. S&P certainly strong, but risk certainly trades were not. Yen carry trade down. Even the high yielders down. What the hell? I get it. Numbers out of London continue to suck wind, yet the pound grinds higher. Well, not everything in the pound. Sterling yen was down. Big deal. It's such a joke. Mortgage approvals, weaker. CBI realized sales, weaker. You know, it's funny, in talking to some other traders, you know, the SSI, FXCM, everybody's short. So that's why it's going up. Is it really that simple? I guess so. I guess so. U.S. pending home sales up a stunning 4.1%, but jobless claims once again exceeding expectations, up 388,000. This month's non-farm payroll is going to suck. Wind. But it doesn't make a difference. Bernanke will just deliver. I guess. What else could it be? But we look at this S&P, and, you know, I hope you got my tweet, but I don't know how you could fight this. We took it out. The golden retracement. We can even line it up perfectly so it's to the pip, to the tick. I don't see how you can be bearish. I don't see how you can be bearish. I'd love to be. But we took out too many monster levels. This one right here was big. This previous day had this high. That was the bar down. We could just be to the moon. Certainly maybe double top. We got U.S. GDP coming out tonight. New Zealand left rates unchanged, but the Kiwi was relatively up a little bit, not much. This dollar index, my big wedge, well, yeah, it came back a little bit. But we're broken. Busted. We didn't come back strong enough. No hammer, no soup for you. Dollar bulls. It's the bloody death grind. Listen, I think it's a joke. I'm not the only one. It is what it is. Can't fight the tape. Big numbers tonight out of Japan. Will they or won't they? That is the million-dollar question. Let me take a look at all these yens. Certainly, dollar yen busted on non-farm on unemployment claims, but came back nicely. Stock market rallied. Big deal. It doesn't make a difference anymore. This market continues to dumbfound me. I've been trading this market 10 years. I got to tell you, I can't remember the last time seeing this stuff. No correlations, nothing. Which market's right? Ours or the broader market, S&P? Well, we're certainly soon going to find out. But look at this dollar yen. If Japan, I don't think it has anything to do with the numbers really. Certainly it'll be interesting to see how household spending is, how CPI is. You get CPI worse. That might lead the Bank of Japan to need to do more stimulus. That should be good for dollar yen. More printing money. You get a better number, they might not feel they need to. So that number today should be important. Dollar yen on a weaker CPI, I would imagine, rallies into the BOJ tonight. But this is the first BOJ report that really, you have a lot of market players thinking they should. You have a lot of market players thinking they won't add more stimulus. You get no stimulus, dollar yen should come in nicely. You get more stimulus, gold to the moon. Gold rallying nicely, coming up to big-time resistance. You get Japan to add more, you could have this breakout. What was that? 1664-ish to the moon, Alice. So these numbers tonight out of Japan certainly worth probably trading off of, as well as keeping a focus on. You got GFK, German climate, big deal. Import prices, big deal. French consumer spending could be interesting. Remember, the French numbers have been much better as of late. Euro dollar, just unbelievable today. Surged, came back, rallied, then puttered out, even with the S&P exploding. I get it. We get an Italian bond auction, 10-year. That should be a big event. You get a good bond auction, this euro could explode. And once again, we're getting awfully close. We're just grinding. I mean, look, this looks like a lot. It's 100 freaking pips. What a joke. I mean, this euro is set up for a freaking explosion. You get a good Italian bond auction, holy crap. And we take out 133 to the moon, Alice. Todd Gordon came out today, said short the euro at 50. I don't know, Todd. When everyone is on one side, it doesn't look pretty. We certainly should hit 133. People, if you're having a tough time in this market, you're not the only one. And I'm not just saying for me. This is not the easiest market. This has not been easy. We don't have momentum. We don't even have 3 days up. We got down, then up. 50 pips up. Pull back 50. It's crazy. It's a scalper's market, I guess. Euro yen came back nicely. A little bit of a hammer. This baby doesn't look so bad. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look bad. Euro sterling came back. Propeller pattern. Your shooting star, your hammer. Euro Canada. Nice little double bottom maybe. Dollar Canada. Very interesting. Look at the hammer in D.C. Muy interesante. Sometimes Dollar Canada really leads the way. Got U.S. GDP coming out tomorrow. Big number. Carney speaking again. GDP is supposed to be up 2.6%. GDP numbers have been suck wind across the globe. I don't see this number going to be that good. I really don't. ECI, Employment Cost Index, is supposed to edge up to up 0.5%. It's a quarterly number. So is GDP and Michigan sentiment. Revision. Maybe that will have an impact. But this dollar Canada, I got to tell you, after breaking to multi-month lows, couldn't break through 98, even with the stock market going up and gold going up. I get it. Seems like we just rallied off of jobless claims. I guess. Dollar Swiss. Well, one would think, given that dollar index broke, Now, we did hold this channel line to perfection. But you would think that since dollar index broke that we should break through. And I would say 90 should be in the cards. Now, tomorrow's a big day. Maybe they reverse them. But it looks like we get more dollar weakness. More dollar weakness. More S&P strength. Cable. Just the death grind. So overbought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days in a row. It's freaking crazy. It looks like cable wants to hit the channel line, people. We're getting there. So we got channel line in the Euro 133. We got channel line in cable. Actually, it's not even 163. No, it is. I know I drew it wrong. Yep. Guess you could draw it from here. It's the same thing. Looks like 163. The dollar bulls are going to get squeezed, and it just doesn't make a freaking difference. Good number, bad number. Bernanke will save the day, bad number. Good number, things are good. A joke. Sterling yen. Nice little comeback. Pole, flag. Looks like it wants to extend. Keep on coming back. We take out 31.75, 31.90 to the moon. Big night tonight in the yen. Big. They do more stimulus, dollar yen to explode. Oh, baby. And then, of course, the risk-off trades. Pound Canada came back, which I get it. Pound Kiwi, I get it. Again, though, down, up, and still can't break through. Looks very toppy. I think this New Zealand dollar, they didn't raise rates. Certainly a nice big pullback. We exploded last night in Asia, Europe. Big pullback in the U.S. session. Aussie, Kiwi exploding. I don't know. Nuts. But I think this baby looks like it wants to go. They didn't really, they're talking about the RBNZ. Rates are going up. They might not be going up now, this moment, but the direction of rates are up. If they're going to do anything, they're going to raise. They're not going to lower. No freaking way. So I think this New Zealand dollar has a shot to go through an 82 tonight. Aussie continues to grind higher. Closing strong. Aussie Kiwi again, big up day. This Aussie is breaking out. Maybe Aussie's going to have a 7-day move up. I mean, risk on. These things should go up. Gold going up. Even Aussie yen looks like it hammered. Outside candle, took out the high, took out the low, closing almost unched up. It looks good. No matter how you want to slice it and dice it, we look good. Look at this New Zealand yen. Outside candle, but basically coming back. Not taking out the 65.50. And even Luna yen looks like it may have bottomed too. A little bit. Very surprised in dollar Canada today. But again, with that hammer in dollar Canada, probably want to stay away from Luna yen. Dollar yen should be the one. But Aussie, looking at this Aussie Kiwi, breaking out. Do your fib. Looks like 28 easy. Looks like Aussie will be the relative strength winner once again. Nuts. Nuts, I tell you. But if the BOJ comes through to the moon, Alice, fly me to the freaking moon. What else is left? So we go back to the euro dollar. Yeah, it stalled. Yeah, it came in 20, 30 pips from the highs. Big deal. Cable closing close to the highs. We're going up. It's a joke, but we're going up. Back to the S&P. Broke out. Gone. 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 I don't see how anyone could say they want to be short. Yeah, it's their breath and all this other stuff. Transport's but this is pretty strong. Maybe it's the Apple residual. I don't know. Third base. All right, people. GDP big tomorrow. Look for a probable, weak number. We're going up. Good number. We're going up. It's a joke. It is what it is. Email me. info@globalfxllc.com. Follow me on Twitter. Twitter.com/voice of Forex. Follow me on Facebook, Voice of Forex. And follow me on YouTube, Voice of Forex. Andrew Spanton, TGIF. Remember, no video on Fridays, but certainly look for my tweets. I'm sure they'll be comical, given this market is a freaking joke. The only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money, even when he loses you money. Oh, baby. Have a good one. Bye-bye.